The confusion and panic that prevailed yesterday in the early hours, in fact, once again began late in the evening when rumors started that there was a second leak. We spoke to the DGP, who has clarified that, in fact, some kind of an operation cleanup was what had led to them trying to evacuate a larger perimeter of people in that particular area as a precautionary measure. Union Minister of State for Home, Kishan Reddy, spoke to us exclusively and told us that 500 kg of a chemical identified as PTBC was brought in from Gujarat to Daman airport. From there, the aircraft took it to Pune and Nagpur, where chemical disaster experts of the NDRF got onto the flight, and it was brought to Visakhapatnam. And that chemical is going to be used to neutralize or act as a coolant for this styrene, so that the effect of this gas can be neutralized. And LG Polymers had requisition for it and said that only after that they can give a green signal that all is well in that particular area. In the hospital, 340 people still in hospital, 22 of them we are told critical, 10 of them in fact on ventilator, and there are also 10 children among those who are said to be critical. 11 people had died, and 2 among them were children, and there will also be investigation on whether there is going to be a long-term impact of this particular gas that we are talking about. The second aspect is the investigation. NDTV had found out that there was a valve issue because of which the leak may have happened, because styrene needs to be maintained at less than 20 degrees as a liquid, and if the refrigerant had failed, which is supposed to keep it at that temperature, in fact, this company was given about 45 lockdown passes in order that the security as well as the maintenance engineers can be there. But if that refrigerant had failed, it could have turned into a gas, leading to the gas leakage. The second aspect is the lockdown itself being blamed for this accident, because there could have been a process which is being described as self-polymerization, after which the pipes may have clogged, leading to pressure build-up and subsequently the gas leakage. The Chief Minister has said that the committee, a high-level committee, is going to be probing into various aspects, and if there is a recommendation made that the plant needs to be shifted out, even that would be done. Let me point out that this plant, when it came up, in fact, that area was not as crowded as it is now, and it's only after that the environment impact assessment notifications had come, and therefore it was given an exemption from the environmental clearance. In Hyderabad, with camera person Nagaraju, Uma Sudhir, NDTV.